It's not your soundtrack.
What is the problem?
The soundtrack.
The thing is,
No, outside
it's
the
not
capella,
the
I will
key,
play the
sir.
soundtrack for you.
The actual key of the song is on E, and you play D for us. It's really uncomfortable.
One of us isn't comfortable with the key we're singing on.
We just have one weak person who's literally drawing us down, but we're gonna try to carry her along.
Clearly, Comfort and Star were at odds with each other.
I'm competing against the two of them and also other contestants, but I have to work hard. I have to sing better than each of them to kick them out because I'm obviously getting them.
I believe that one day I will be where I have been.
Carry on, carry on. Carry on. Continue.
Told me back tonight.
That was awful. Now, the reason that was awful is because she made a mistake, she tried to continue, and then the rest of you gave up.